ladies and gentlemen. I am trying this out. This is not my first time doing flex perm rods, but I'm just like really nervous. I don't know what it's gonna look like. I hope it comes out okay because I pretty much use big parts and sections. Alright, so this is my hair freshly washed. I am going to blow it out, but I'm gonna have to comb it out too, which I use the products and it's making it kind of like easy to comb through. Well, I also, because I think it's my leave-in conditioner, has some slip in it, but alright, we're gonna comb through this and blow dry it off camera. Well, I think I have a video of me blow drying my hair, so I'm probably going to use that one instead. Oh my gosh. And I use this comb instead of that brush that expands, because the brush that expands, it pretty much pulls my hair out. I don't like it. It doesn't work for me. It gets too knotted. It doesn't, like, this is just long. The actual teeth are longer, so it works out for me. I like it a lot better. Oh my goodness. Now I have some heat damage up here, as you can see. That happened like not last year, but the year before last. So it's just pretty much growing out now. And we need some lotion. We got an ashy over here. God damn. Alright, so I did put leave-in conditioner, I did put blow dry, no, I didn't put the blow drying serum yet. But I'm going to put that on just for added protection. I didn't put any oil on my hair because I'm not an advocate of putting oil on wet hair. Well, I've done it before, yeah. But as I'm blow drying it, I just want it to be fluffy. I don't want it to be weighed down. And since I'm doing perm rods, yeah. Okay, so this is how much hair came out. Not bad at all. Oh, there's a little more hair on my hands. Alright, I am back. And I am going to put on some lip gloss so I don't look so crusty. Yeah. Okay. We are back. And we are doing a perm rod set. Okay, so at first I wanted to do a flexi rod set, but then I was like, I did some perm rods the other day and my curls actually looked a lot better. So we're going to use these pink ones, purple, lavender, pink, fuchsia if you want, and these orange ones, okay? So we don't have that many, but we are going to work it out. I think I have more. I don't know. We're going to see. But what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to do them like super tiny. I think I'm going to do like 16 of them. And I'm going to use as many bigger ones as I can and maybe use the smaller ones for the top. Like the back and stuff like that. I'll use the orange ones. Alrighty. And what I'm going to use is this Ottawa Beauty Bio Mint Moisturizing Curl Defining Gel, and I'm going to use some mousse, just a little bit of mousse. Okay. Alright, so we are ready and we are going to take all of this out. Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do is start from the back. Actually, I'm going to put my herbal infused rose hair oil on my hands. Just going to rub it on my hands. That way, when I take my hair out, it'll have some oil, some moisture. Alright, so let's start off here. So let's go. Let's go. So I'm just going to... So while I'm doing this, taking it out, okay. I kept this in pretty much for probably like 24 hours. Or at least 20 hours. I just know I did it at like 8 o'clock in the morning and it's like 8 o'clock in the morning again. So you want to make sure that it's going in the right direction. The reason why I don't like using thin sections is because my hair gets really thin. I think I have fine hair, but just might have a lot of it. I think you can see better on this side. So I am pulling... and at least it's not like a million of them, so that's good. So this might not take as long as I think it's going to take. We're just going to see how this comes out. Alright. And you just twist it going in. I just pull because for the most part, ooh, I did lose some hair though. Where's my mirror? So I can see what the heck I'm doing. Okay, so the root part didn't get as curly as I wanted it to get. And if you pull it on the opposite side, just twist it back. I mean, it's pretty much set, the curl, so it'll twist right back. So I saw this girl do it on YouTube. She took 8 sections, and she probably had the same length hair as I did. It was blown out and everything, but I don't know how you got 8 sections in here. My goodness. That was like some super... Okay, don't rip my hair out. Don't rip my hair out. What is going on here? Okay, there we go. Yeah, we don't... Okay, we'll see how this looks. We'll see how this looks, because I'm not used to this is my first time doing like fluffy curls. I tried to do fluffy curls before with flexi rods, but it didn't come out. So this is what it looks like out. The ends are curled. Okay, so we are going to... What is going on here with this curl? All right, we're going to separate it. So I am just going to separate and separate and separate. Hopefully this will give me like big body curls. And if you feel that it gets frizzy, take some more oil in your fingers. But luckily everything is dried. Okay, everything is dried. And we're just going to pull apart. Sometimes you'll get a patch that's not dried. Oh my God. Oh, that is the worst, because then the whole hairstyle is pretty much ruined. Or you have to wait again and dry that part. I don't know how that works, but... it came out okay. Alright. So now let me just fluff up the hair. And I'm just going to fluff the top part up. Because I don't want to comb out the back. So I'm just going to go under. So I don't comb out the curls. Okay. Get this part a little more fluffy. Let's see how the back is looking, because the back is important. People are going to see the back too, you know. Okay. Some parts got curled a little bit more than others. Yeah, this part right here. I don't know what's going on with this part. I think it's cute. Let me make sure that it's good to go. Oh, I actually like it. And I like the little center part now that my hair is long enough. Yes. So I'm feeling it. All right. Well, I hope you're feeling it too.